What's up guys, it's MartyBlendz, and today we have a nice mid-drop to go over, so let's hop in. First up, with your preferred trimmer, create a baseline, eventually dropping it towards the occipital area. Remember not to press in too deep into the scalp, or you will make it difficult to erase the baseline further on down the line. Next, you want to remove all the excess hair left underneath. Make sure to lay the blade flat on the scalp, or you may cause irritation. With your preferred shaver, slowly and patiently remove all the stubble left behind. Okay, now with the lever open, create a 1/2 inch guideline all around, shadowing that baseline we just made. Take note that we are short blending, meaning our fade will be compressed, but if you want a longer blend, just stretch out your guidelines by double or triple what you see here. Now you want to close up the lever and move up halfway through the guide, removing that base. Next, gradually open up a tad and work up within the same guideline. Guys, I'd be lying if I said I don't mess with my lever a bunch during this step. You may need to go over once or twice until perfect. Be very patient when working on this specific area, to say the least. If you ace this step, you will secure a nice blend. If you are having trouble removing that baseline, you may use your trimmer to get rid of the stubborn line. Now with your half guard fully open, create a 4 inch guideline. Slap on the number 2 open now, and go up 1/2 inch right above. Don't forget to flake out a tad so you don't create another harsh line. To finish up, use the number 3 open and move up another 1/2 inch. If you can't already tell, we basically use a ladder to move through the darkness. Throughout our darkness. Now these past 3 steps are very important when it comes to bulk, that way we could work comfortably within our blend. Alright, now with the half guard halfway open, create a 1/2 inch guideline. open, break the line within the dark and light area. Make sure not to scoot up too high or you will push up the blend. To touch up, I made sure to come back to the specific guards and deep. Finally, with the lever open no guard, get rid of the last visible line you're able. Using corners is a definite must throughout this step for a flawless. In this case, I came back with my half guard closed and knocked off some dark areas that were a little too dark for a lever open. Guys, I just want you guys to know that most of these models on my videos are first timers, so I have no idea what I'm going to run into. No matter the circumstances, make sure you detail as much as you can and give them a good experience. It's just part of being a great barber. I do recommend y'all to do each step all around the canvas, but for demonstration purposes, I tend to work on one side, then the other. Now I also want to take time to say I appreciate everyone watching and taking time to learn the craft. Remember that once you learn this, it's important to put it up to the test in physical form, so practice and be consistent. If you guys happen to like these MB guards I use in every video, make sure to check out MartyBlendz.com to find your favorite color and match your state. by any chance you are confused or lost, don't hesitate to comment down below to get some help. With that being said, if you know the answer to a question, help out, because that's what we're here for. If you're a beginner barber, make sure to stay extremely patient. It's easy to get discouraged, but once you get it down, you'll be able to use the art to your advantage. Now as for lineups and C-cups, I make sure I use the most out of my corners of my trimmer. I prefer using the FX3s to get the cleanest lines possible. And guys, this is our final look for today's cut. If you did enjoy this tutorial, make sure to like and comment your thoughts. That's been it for me. I'm MartyBlendz and I'm out.